يسني ما اسكر هذه
ما شاء الله
لكن هل كان كتاعنا
ما في لا
هنا
هنا
اكسبير كروبي واسوكا كعن
صح.
I'm Zara Abdihaji and you're watching Somali Storytellers TV. Welcome to Baidoa, Somalia. Come discover Baidoa with me. Baidoa or Baidoa is a hidden gem located in the southwest region of Somalia. Our journey began 7:30 a.m. in the morning from Aden at the International Airport, and after 45 minutes, we safely landed in Baidoa. I was surprised to see how green and lush the city was. At first, we went to Isha Baidoa, also known as the Baidoa Eye. Let's see where this video takes us. We are now at the city center, and that right there is the picture of the head of the state. So now we're heading to the Baidoa City Park. This place is massive and you will need your vehicle so you don't waste time at the entrance. The garden is huge and you would have to leave early in the morning to explore the entire place. I really loved the different activities they had. My favorite was the bow and arrow game. I didn't know what it's called in Somali, but this is me trying and I failed. I was so excited I forgot to record the Akal Somali. My bad. This fruit here is called Maalin-dhan and it's exclusive to Baidoa. These were the lions in the park. I was a bit scared, but I'm still trying to look hard and brave. I thought this animal was very beautiful. However, I don't know the name, so you guys can write to me in the comments and tell me what it's called. This was an overview of how big the park was, but we had to leave. Now we are going to go get some camel milk. I heard the camels in Baidoa are only grass-fed and the milk tastes so good. We had to hurry up before the sun goes down. We got there a little late. Even the sheep and the goats were heading inside. The owners were so nice and welcomed us to have some camel milk and hang out with the camels.
والله جيل شمي
جيل شمي
محمد
joogaa meesha geela
haye
kasoo doonta caanageelka Baidoa waa dadka u soo dalxiis taga anina marka waxaan sameynaa inaan dhimiyo marka let me test it's good aniga ma Soomaaliya
yeah you have to try
may inta hada ka taaganahay
try
uma dhawaanin ya
wax yar u dhow
next year
hadaa libaaxa hoosta ka gashay libaaxa hadaa hoosta ka gashay
hada kow iga dhaadheeriya libaaxa xoogaa waa ka dheeraa
sax
ka warama aan kelka
عادي معها
مش هدني قبر ميمس أنا قبر ميمس وين
أنا وأنا
أنا ما ترى قبر ميا
ها قبر ميمس وين أنا
أنا باي ميا توسع ميا دين
أيوة كان داي
تاسوا أشياء والله
and that was our night. It was time to say goodbye, and honestly, I feel like this was a very fun trip. Everyone was so nice and welcoming. My overall experience was great, and I can't wait to come back another time. إن شاء الله باي باي
أبو بكر وحواي
Thank you so much. قبتنا وركسن هداد ما دود معتو come to Ruksan. I had to go back to Mogadishu, so see you on my next journey. If you've come this far, I want to thank you for the support and watching my channel. I'm glad that I can bring you some happiness into your homes. Please support, like, and share my content. Thank you. intaad soo gartay waxaan filayaa in muuqaalkeena aad ku taabtay waxaana rajaynaynaa inaad like soo dhahdo follow soo dhahdo subscribe soo dhahdo ee asxaabtaada la wadaagto channelkeena soo biir tiimka Somali Storytellers. Kada dambe waxay idin geynaynaa goobta loo yaqaano goob weyn la socod iyo daawasho wacan dhammaan asxaabta nagu xiran.